Yeah, good afternoon. How are you? Good afternoon. How are you? Good afternoon. I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Okay, you live in New Delhi means you are not from New Delhi? Okay, you okay, you are born and brought up in New Delhi. You are residents in New Delhi, right? Okay. Are you student or are you working? Okay, which department have you completed your graduation? Okay, you are a technical student and you have completed your graduation in BTech, right? Okay, which department are you working? Which department are you working? Okay, you are doing job in automobile sector and how long have you been working in there? Mhm. Okay, then do you want to enhance your speaking or do you want to just interrupt with the call or no? Yeah. Do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with the call or no? Yeah. How long have you been using this platform? Okay. How much time do you invest here and how much time do you practice with language? Okay, that's good. And Miss, which part are you lacking of? Which part? Miss, listening, speaking, reading, writing, or what kind of do you want to enhance your English speaking? Okay. Okay, I got your point. You want to enhance four skills: reading skill, writing skill, speaking skill, and listening skill, right? And right now you do hard work how to enhance your both. Okay, have you joined any coaching to enhance your English speaking or are you self learner? What kind of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? Hmm. Mhm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. What kind of do you write passage? What kind of story do you write? Okay, I got your point. You write daily one page, right? What kind of activity do you write? Means, suppose right now we talk each other, right? We are talking each other. You write this kind of story, or you write daily routine, or you watch any kind of tech talk, or any kind of means podcast on YouTube video, and after that you write on your diary. What kind of activity do you write? Okay. Okay, I got your point. First of all, you read one story on online, right? On YouTube video. After that, you write that same story according to your thought and on your words, right? You make a different story, same theme, same subject, but you write on your words, right? And that is a good, because if anyone wants to improve their writing skill, they have to do this kind of job, right? We have to write whatever we do morning to evening, we can write. Or if I get any kind of incident, then we can write. If we talk with someone, any subject, any matter, we can write and we can make a story, right? According to our thought. Then it is a better. Right, right, you are right. And we have to do, and we have to focus reading, writing, listening, and speaking simultaneously all day. Right, right, right. Right, you are right. All language learner, they would be done this kind of work, right? Because without four pillars, no one can enhance their English speaking. I am well educated people. I am not talking about illiterate people. Illiterate people, they don't know how to read and how to write, but they can speak, right? Because they take a three pillars: listening, speaking, and thinking, right? Because they got a atmosphere. That's why they can speak good English. Because well educated people, they don't get atmosphere. They with whom they interact, right? Where they listen, because listening and speaking part we don't have, right? That's why we depend in this kind of platform, and we meet a co-learner with through online, and we interact with them and we practice with them in language, right? But illiterate people, even though in Delhi, you are from Delhi beggars, they can speak good English, right? Delhi street vendors, they can speak good English, right? Because they got a atmosphere in there. All tourist people and all means traveler and tourist people, they go to Delhi, Mumbai for visiting purpose, right? That's why they have to interact with them regularly, right? That's why they can speak with them in English, because India is a languages country. All state have different languages. We don't we don't get opportunity to interact with anyone in English, right? That's why we have to depend in this kind of platform and interact with the co-learner, and we practice with them in English. It is a better, right? And miss, that is also one part. Speaking part, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking, or do you use only this platform? Okay. Okay. Mhm. I got your point. Because you only want. Yep. No, I am from Odisha. I am from Odisha. I live in Odisha. Mhm. I That is a good question for me. Everyone asks this question why I want to enhance my English speaking. First of all, I want to enhance my English language. English is a global language. I want to interact. Who can speak English language? Second thing, I teach my kid at home. They are studying in CBSE board, and when I attend parents meeting, that's when I want to interact with their teacher in English language. And even you see, I teach my kid at home all subject. If I Yeah, because at home. Yeah, I teach at home. If I don't know how to speak English, if how can I make them understand any subject? I want to create English speaking atmosphere at home. If I interact with them and if I make them understand how to speak English, then first of all I have to learn how to speak English. I can make them understand how to speak English. Pardon, I could not understand you. Could you repeat once? Could you repeat what you wanted to ask me? Yeah, I speak with them. They also talk with me in English while teaching them. I never tell them to interact with me in my mother tongue. That's why I want to enhance my English speaking due to this reason. Because if I know how to speak English, then I can ask them also question and I make them understand how to speak English fluently. That's why I'm learning this platform because you know, as a Indian, we don't have opportunity to interact with anyone in English in 24 hours. I have been using this platform around 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm new in this platform. I'm learning.
I want to know about the definition.
I got to know this platform from YouTube video. One YouTuber spoke about this platform. If you don't have partner, if you don't have opportunity to practice in English language, then you install this platform and you practice with co-learner. It is a better platform. And I after that I install in this platform and I practice with the co-learner and you. This platform is a good platform.
Some people very regularly or sometimes you have applications so
I try
applications sometimes.
I try to use regularly, but sometime I don't get time to means practice with co-learner. Yesterday,
I don't have a time for that, so I would say, okay.
yeah, yesterday I didn't use this platform because I didn't have time. But today I got a time. That's why I'm talking with you. I'm practicing with you.
Why do you have a time to do? Because yesterday on this you did not have a time. Tell me
Because
what.
yesterday I didn't get time due to my personal work. But today I got, then I thought let's see, I practice with whole or no, it is a better for me because I want to enhance my English speaking. Yeah. Did you
Okay.
finish your lunch?
No. I'm fasting, so that's why I did not plan. So because Ramadan is going on, so that's why.
Okay. Is it your fasting?
Yes, I'm I'm a fasting.
Okay. Okay. That's why you are learning here, right?
Yes,
You
sorry.
are practicing. That's why you are practicing.
Yes, because of this, I think I, yes, that's why I'm doing fasting.
Okay. How many days do you keep your fasting?
Actually, now, now it has it has around it has completed around 33.
33.
But yes, no, 20, 24, 24, 24.
Okay, 24. When it will be over? Coming month?
And slightly, 16 left.
Okay. Do you don't feel hungry during this period because summer season?
It's Allah and Allah. So it's the constitution of Allah. So that's why I'm fasting.
Okay,
Because I'm doing that. And
I got your point.